He is alive. Because I live, ye shall live also. John chapter 14 verse 19. For personal Christianity, the resurrection is all important. There is a vital interrelation to the existence of Christianity itself, as well as to the individual believer, in the message of the gospel. The Swiss theologian, Karl Barth, said, "Do you want to believe in the living Christ? We may believe in him only if we believe in his corporeal resurrection." This is the content of the New Testament. We are always free to reject it, but not to modify it, nor to pretend that the New Testament tells something else. We may accept or refuse the message, but we may not change it. Christianity as a system of truth collapses if the resurrection is rejected. That Jesus rose from the dead is one of the foundation stones of our faith. Prayer for the day. Lord, let me live today with the constant thought that you are alive.